Introducing LINKUP 10G Cat7 Ethernet cable. The connectors have 50-micron 24K gold-plated contacts and are fully shielded for noiseless signal transmission. Using premium oxygen-free copper wires, up to 99.99% pure copper with individual foil shielding. LINKUP uses a low-smoke, zero-halogen material to make the cable jacket, which meets strict safety regulations. This material gives the cables a stiffer characteristic. LINKUP offers both white and black cables and lengths varying from 1 foot to 100 feet. For custom cables, please contact us at linkup.one. For cable identification, LINKUP offers 7 color rings for both the 26-gauge and 30-gauge Cat7 cables. The color rings allow easy identification of network groups during installation. To ensure all cables meet the Cat7 quality, each cable is tested under a Fluke test, and a test report is included in the package. And that is LINKUP 10G Cat7 Ethernet cable in a minute.